If you look around me, I'm not standing in front of a wall. These are basically textile banners. But the idea behind our webinar is to show you several applications with all our products, with all our finishing products. The first part is, of course, making the basis of the concept store. Now, what are we going to do today? Well, basically this part here. So this is basically a personalized coat hangers. We will be starting out with the PVC. If you look here, all these coat hangers have been nicely printed and are featured as a personalized coat hanger itself. And then we have here some framework where we will use that as a support for the coat hangers. Now here we chose for PVC. Why? Because it's easy to finish, it's easy to print, and you can have it in a whole range of thicknesses. The rigid part of our construction here is actually made up out of DiBond. Why DiBond? Well, again, it's easy to print. You can easily personalize it. And of course, it's quite rigid, so you can easily make construction work out of it. If we look closer, for people who are not familiar with DiBond, some call it ACM, aluminum composite panel. It's basically 2 layers of aluminum, and in the middle there is a layer of plastic. Most of the time it's going to be polyurethane. Now, we could just do this by simply creating a file, having it print by somebody, and then cutting it on our flatbed. However, we opted for something else. We want to show the benefit or the advantage of using a workflow. Now, what is so special about a workflow? During a workflow, you can automate several things. You can automate your registration mark placement. You can automate your types of actions you're going to do on your media, and also you can define what type of media you're using. So in terms of setting this up, as you know, Summa does not have any printers in their range, so we had to cooperate with a couple of other companies. One of them is Muto, which is not that far from Summa, also located in Belgium. The other company is FlexiSign, who is also based in Belgium for Europe. So if we cooperate with those 2 people, we have a very full automatic workflow going from design to print to finishing. So let's first look at a video showing us the complete workflow from software to printing.